is up, everybody? What is up? எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நலமா இருக்கீங்க நம்புறேன். லாஸ்ட் வீக் வந்து last week was Pongal. This is the first stream for this week, and I also updated about not streaming last week in our Discord community. Sorry boys, had to do it. All right, the Greenland thing is what is going on right now, boys. The Greenland thing is what's going on right now. Greenlanders, Vikings. The last thing I heard about Greenland was like Viking series. Right now, he is just trying to take it out. The President of the United States of America is trying to take Greenland out, boys. Because he wants it in his isle, because of various reasons that wants it for his country and those kinds of things. But it affects our trading. So much. Trump வந்து Greenland எடுக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறனால நமக்கு இங்க பத்தறதுல கொஞ்சம் பிரச்சனைகள் வரதான் செய்யுது. அதான் நிஜமான உண்மை. அதை நம்ம இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு எப்படி ட்ரேட் பண்ணலான்றதை பார்ப்போம். Yesterday's analysis, I did my yesterday's analysis and posted it on the group. And after posting, price was over here, right? Price was over below this zone, right? I told in the group that I think price would not want to go bearish. It would want to continue to move up bullish only. And then that is what price did. And I think price moved above consistently from this zone over here. What price did. I dropped the analysis in our Discord community. In our Discord community analysis drop பண்ணியிருந்தேன். அதான் இந்த இடத்துல பெருமான அளவுக்கு நடந்துருந்துச்சு. பட் ஆனால் நான் எதிர்பார்த்த அளவுக்கு நகர்வுகள் இல்லை. ஏன் அப்படின்றது எனக்கு தெரியல. சில நேரங்களில் அப்படிதான் இருக்கும். அது நம்ம ஒத்துக்கிட்டு தான் ஆகணும். பட் ஆனால் price was consistently moving bullish, like I said in our Discord community. And price would want to consistently move bullish for the rest of the day, and it would want to close bullish on day. So yesterday it moved bullish and then consistently moved bullish and closed bullish on day. I told the analysis, I dropped the analysis in our Discord community. Okay, let me drop analysis for today's New York session, and then slowly we can news starts coming out, the more price action is going to move or just like wobble it out over here. The more these types of news is going to come out, the more gold is going to move. Today morning when I was over here, this news I think came out. This one, and then like this one. When this came out, I was just like over here journaling the trades, and price was like spiking above during today's trading session. It was clearly over here. Price was over here. When I was over here, price was over here. On London session also I was here, but I was not trading. I was watching price action, and it was not going very. It was very. The price action today in London session was very good. London session the price action நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. ஆனா நான் இந்த டைம்ல பண்ணல. நம்ம சைக்காலஜி வீடியோ வந்து கான்டென்ட் ரெடி பண்ணிருக்கேன். அதனால நான் எந்த ஒரு வர்த்தகமே மதியம் அளவுல செய்யல. இப்போ வந்து நம்ம இந்த இடத்துல என்ன பண்ணலாம்ன்றத நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு subordinate Europe is unacceptable. இன்னும் இந்த மத்தியான அளவுல, அதாவது மத்தியான அளவுல இல்ல, இன்னும் இந்த வரக்கூடிய இரவு அளவுல இந்த மாதிரி செய்திகள் வெளியே வந்து கொண்டே இருந்தால் நம்மளால ஒழுங்கா வர்த்தகம் செய்ய முடியாதுன்னு என்னோட பார்க்கணும். அடுத்தடுத்த செய்திகள் வர பிரைஸ் வந்து அங்க நகரும். அப்போ வந்து நம்மளால ஒழுங்கா வர்த்தகம் பண்ண முடியும். இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு நம்ம வந்து ஆனா நம்மளோட அனாலிசிஸ் பண்ணி வச்சுட்டு என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்றத பார்ப்போம். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து அது என்ன நடக்குது அப்படின்றதுலாம் அதுக்கு அடுத்தபடியான வேலை. ஓகேவா? இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு இந்த இடம் தேவையான்னு கேட்டனா தேவையில்லை. இந்த இடமே தேவையில்லை. இந்த இடம் தேவையான்னு கேட்டனா இல்லை. இந்த ரெண்டு இடங்களுமே இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு தேவையில்லை. பிரைஸ் வந்து விலை வந்து ரொம்ப நகர்ந்து போயிடுச்சு. These places that I marked over here are not needed for us over here. So I just like wipe it out clean and then starting my analysis here so that I can just get a clear view of the charts. Okay. Now price action is over here, right? Price action is over, display is over here. So looking at price action right now, daily time frame is like daily bullish over here. So I think it would, on a high note, what I think is it would want to close bullish only. It would come below and close over here, or go above and close over here, or just like close over here itself. That is based on how price action is going to move. But on a high note, I just think price is going to close bullish only. நான் என்ன நினைக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னா, விலை வந்து இந்த இடத்துல வந்து முடிவுக்கு வரலாம், இங்க வந்து முடிவுக்கு வரலாம், இங்க வரலாம், இங்கேயும் போகலாம். ஆனால் மேல் நோக்கி போய் இந்த அளவுல புல்லிஷா தான் ப்ளூ கலர்ல தான் வந்து முடிவுரைக்கு வரப்போகுது அப்படின்னு தான் நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ அதுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து வர்த்தகம் பார்க்கலாம். அதுல இருந்து நம்ம பிறந்து பார்க்க வேண்டியதுக்கான தேவை இல்லை. அன்லஸ் அதர்வைஸ் பெரிய செய்திகள் ஏதாச்சும் தலைகீழா, அதாவது இந்த இன்னைக்கு நடக்கக்கூடிய வர்த்தகத்தை தலைகீழா மாற்றக்கூடிய செய்திகள் ஏதாவது வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு நம்ம இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம வர்த்தகத்துல இருந்தோம்னா நம்ம தான் பொறுப்பாயாகும். If there is going to be any big news coming out and we are in a trade, if we are going to be in that trade, we are going to be in it and the risk is on us. Okay. Now 4-hour time frame over here. This 4-hour time frame closure is very, very important, because why I say this is this 4-hour close will pave the way for the next hour or so, next upcoming New York session also. The New York session has already started, and this 4-hour close is going to pave the way. Like how it closes is how the New York session, the next 4 hours could move, or if it's going to move otherwise, we can come to know that how is this possible, how is it moving compared to the last candle. Okay, now let us see how this is going to close, then dropping down the low time frames. எப்படி முடிவுரைக்கு வரப்போகுதுன்றத பார்ப்போம். இந்த கேண்டலோட முடிவுரை வந்து நம்ம வரக்கூடிய இந்த நேரங்கள், வரக்கூடிய மணி நேரங்கள்ல வந்து நம்மளுக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியமானதா இருக்கும். அது வந்து நம்மளுக்கு வழி எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்றத காட்டவும் செய்யும். அதனால இது எப்படி முடிவுரைக்கு வரப்போகுதுன்றது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். 1-hour time frame. We drop it to the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame is like this. I can see clear resistance over here. இந்த இடத்துல எனக்கு ஒரு மேல் தடுப்பு தெரியுது. இது வந்து முழுவெண்களாக நான் மாற்றிக்கிறேன். மாற்ற வேணாம். ஏன்னா இப்போ நம்ம 1 hour time frame இருக்கும். I can see a clear resistance over here, and I do not like numbers being like 54, 57 like that. It does not matter, but I like it as a whole numbers. So I'm not going to change it, but I want to change it. But this zone could change when I drop it in the 15-minute time frame. So I'm not going to change it over here. When I drop it, and I see a proper zone, I will just change it. Okay. And I can see a support in this place, and also support over here. In this place I could see a support, but price has gone up till this place over here. So I'm not going to mark support over here. Okay. In the 1 hour time frame, if this 1 hour candle is going to close in like this, then the next candle could just like move bullish from here. But we have to see how it's going to go. Based on price action movement is how we are going to decide what is going to go, how it's going to go. Okay. If you have any questions, drop in the chat, boys. Okay, dropping it down in the 30-minute time frame. If I mark support over this place, okay, if I mark support to this place, when I drop in the 30-minute time frame, it is already broken. Then I have another area over here which is there, and I'm going to like see a lot of zones are not going to be okay, right? So that is why I did not mark this place, because price already broke below, and then there is also a zone to here. So to the maximum, what you have to do is keep your charts clean as much as possible. Okay, that advice I would give you. Because if you have a lot of zones here and there and there and there, you might not be able to trade properly. Okay, because you have a lot of zones into play, and then you might not be able to see clearly what is happening and what is going on. Okay. 30-minute time frame resistance is over here. I do not change it to whole numbers because there is a zone up here where price has rejected from, and then there is a zone up here where price has rejected from. In the 15-minute time frame, it might change. 15 மணி நேர அளவுல இது மாறலாம், இந்த ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் மாறலாம், இந்த சப்போர்ட் கூடயும் மாறலாம். அதனால அதுக்கு டிராப் ஆகி பார்த்துக்கலாம் எப்படி என்ன நடக்க போகுது. This 1 hour closure is very very important. Price is consolidating in here right now, and this 1 hour closure is very important. I would like it closing bearish over here, but we are going to see how the charts are going to close. I would like price closing bearish over here, but if volume is going to be on the bullish side, price is not going to close bearish here. Okay, we will just adapt to what the price is making itself available. Okay, and see if there is a trade for us. The 30-minute time frame, price action is in like this. Okay, just now we saw, so we don't need to be seeing forward to, and in the 15-minute time frame. In the 15-minute time frame, price has clearly rejected at this place. Okay, now I would like to move my resistance up to this place and then see the 5-minute time frame, which is not being so good. So just like my zone over here, also to this place, because it's not so good. I would like my zone over here, but there is also rejection over here. Which place? This place. So, and then support, I do not like it in the middle, so just want to move this place. This support is very very clear, so I will just move it to like 400. Okay, I like whole numbers, so I'll just like put it at 400. Okay, if it is going to be 401 or 405, it is going to be completely okay. I just like it this way, and that is how I like it, and that is how I put it. Okay, there is also a support zone over this place, clear support where price has made resistance over here, support over here, support over here, support over here. Okay, there is also a support to that place. Oh, what do you think, boys? If you think price is going to move bullish or bearish, let me know in the chat box. What do you think on how this New York session is going to head? இந்த New York sessionல விலை எப்படி நகர போகுது அப்படிங்கறத நீங்க நினைக்கிறீங்கன்றத வந்து chat boxல சொல்லுங்க. நான் வந்து எனக்கு எப்படி this 4 hour closes, I would come to know how it can move, but that is not going to be definitive because price can move however it wants to. Okay. I would like my zone over here because this is where the topmost area is rejected, but we could place a zone over to here, but I would not like that because price is really rejected in this place. Let's just have it over here. That's not going to be an issue, but we have to be very, very aware of this rejection over here. If price is going to close or borderly close, if price is going to break above this place over here, okay, and then if price is going to close borderly of this place where price is rejected, we have to be very, very careful. Okay, that will just take it into account and just like move forward. Okay, in the 30-minute time frame, price action is moving like this. There is 10 more minutes for the 4 hour to close. So 10 நிமிடங்கள்ல 4 மணி நேரம் முடிவுரை வந்துரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து எப்படின்றத பார்ப்போம். அது வரைக்கும் நம்ம அனாலிசிஸ் பண்ணி ஜோன்ஸ் எல்லாமே கொடுத்து வச்சுக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா முன்னோக்கி வர்த்தகம் பண்றது ரொம்ப வசதியா இருக்கும். I also like this to be whole numbers, so just support for this place, okay, and then resistance over at this place. The only thing that is disturbing me over here right now is this rejection over here. And the rejection has been made here over this place, and I will just mark this place over here. I've seen a couple of times that price would just show signs of breaking above, and then if it is just going to close below this region where it would just form resistance and just like drop it down. So we have to be careful of that. But overall, price action could move really bullish. Okay, that I'm just not going to take it away from the charts. Price action could move bullish over here. I could not properly perceive price if this is how it's going to close, because like in the 1 hour time frame it's completely consolidating. In the 4 hour time frame it has showed movement. The overall movement is to the bullish side, boys, but basically in the 1 hour it is just moving sideways. So you need a break above or below, and then just like with volume, and then just like how the price action could move, you will be able to make a decision also. Now I think in the 15-minute time frame, price action could move above this zone and close. I think it could move above this zone over here, because it just like dropped down to this area over here and it's like on support, and then I think it could move above this place and close. Move above this place and close there. I do not know. Support formation is to this place. Maybe it could also have support to this place over here, because this support is very, very clear. Rejected at this place. Let me show why it is clear. Rejected at this place, rejected at this place, rejected at this place, and resisted at this place. Okay. Now when it comes down, you have a zone up till this place. This is also a definitive support, but you have clear rejections and support formed over here. When it heads down, you can trade below between these two zones. That is why I just would like to mark support here. இந்த இடத்துல நான் ஏன் குறிக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னா, இந்த இடத்தை தாண்டி வரும்போது இதுவரைக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு இடம் கிடைக்கும், அதுக்குள்ளேயே நம்ம வர்த்தகம் செய்யலாம். இப்போ இந்த இடத்தையே குறிச்சு வச்சோம்னா இந்த நடுவில் நம்ம செய்ய மாட்டோம். அதனால இங்க வந்து சப்போர்ட் வந்து தெளிவா இருக்கு, கிளியராகவும் இருக்கு. அதனால இந்த இடத்தையும் நம்ம குறிச்சு வச்சுக்கிட்டோம்னா நம்ம வர்த்தகம் பண்றது வசதியா. I would like 1 hour to close bearish over here, but I எப்படி இந்த மாதிரியே முடிவுரைக்கு வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா நெக்ஸ்ட் கேண்டில் வந்து கீழ் நோக்கி பாய்வதற்கான வாய்ப்பு பாஞ்சிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் மேல் நோக்கி போவதற்கான வாய்ப்பு. If this candle is going to close in here like this candle is going to close in here like this, there is a high probability for charts to also come down. If it wants to come down, it will just come down, and after that it will just go candles big and it's like close. So a lot of possibilities are available over here. We have to see how it's going to go. If you have any questions, drop it in the chat, boys. If you have any questions, drop it in the chat. I do not know how many of you like trade the NSC National Stock Exchange of India or so, but I think in the recent days I think there's going to be a tariff that will be put on, like there will be a tariff that will be there is increase in tariff for the cigarette sales in India, and I think ITC recently have done a grave mistake of dividing the ITC hotels into a different stock. I think the ITC hotels would do very well, but removing at this time was a mistake, I think, because like with ITC going out and the cigarette sales like having a tariff increase, I think the drop is being huge and it's dropping down like crazy. Boys, let me know how the background music is right now. Let me know how the background music is right now. I just forgot to pause and my friends it just says over here that the sound is too high. Let me know boys, let me know. Let me know in the chat if the music is so disturbing that I would just like stop it. Okay, the 1 hour time frame is deciding to come above and close. If the candle is going to close over here, and then if it's going to make a wick to the bottom, there's a high probability for price action to move above also, boys. How would it be like? It would be like this. If this candle is going to close in like this, okay, close in like this, then the next candle could be, after making a wick to the bottom, the next candle could be like this. No issues. It would never be an issue. So I've also seen moves like that. So we're going to see how's it going to be. Price action today in London session was very good, and I just did not trade. And I did not trade today's London session, but it was very good. If I was over here trading in the London session, I saw price move above from these places and then it's like close up over here, and then I thought, 1 minute boys, 1 minute, 3 more minutes for the 4 hour to close. Wait over here. Three more minutes for the 4 hour to close over here. Okay, if I was over here, how would I have traded is, with a 4-hour closing in like this, okay, with the 4-hour closing in like this, I thought maybe it could close bearish and also could move bullish. If there was a bearish close over here, it would have been like this, right? It could have been like that, and there was not a bearish close. And if it is going to move bullish after creating a support, when it just created a resistance, I would have just entered on the break the high over here, and then I would have just put break the high, buy on the break the high, and then just like put the stop loss to this place over here, and then 65 67 pip stop loss, no, 63 pip stop loss, and then I would have just added 63 pips in it and then hit. This could have been a nice trade, but I did not trade London session and I was not into it. So if this is how the candle is going to close in the 1 hour time frame, price action is consolidating over this place, and if it is going to move above and close, there is also a place to here that you would want to move above to. Let us see how it's going to go. For this New York session, maybe it could also like move down and close over here. If it is going to come down, it would still close bullish over here in the daily time frame, and tomorrow it would just move above. So a lot of plays are possible over here. I'm just like explaining the various probabilities of how price action could be over here. So price just like closed in over here like this, and broke above this place and closed, and also above this place. What do you think, boys? What do you think? Let me know in the chat box. What do you think? Let me know in the chat that how do you think price action could move. It is too early to be trading bullish over here, boys. This week is not enough for me to be trading bullish over here, but it could move consistently bullish. But this week alone is not enough for me. I could have opened positions over here, and then like started trading in over here like this. 1:1, okay. But this week alone is not enough for me. So I need to see price action more. இந்த இடத்துல நான் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் விலை நகர்வு எப்படி இருக்கு என்ன ஏதுன்றதை பார்த்துட்டு தெளிவான ஒரு பார்வை கிடைச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம உள்ள போனோம்னா நம்மளுக்கு கொஞ்சம் நல்லா இருக்கும். Where is silver right now, boys? Silver all-time high. Silver is just all-time highing every single day. If you're new to the stream, if you're newly watching the stream, like this stream and then just like subscribe to the channel, boys, and then join our Discord community. I'm going to drop the Discord community link is in the chat box. No, Discord community link is in the description box of this video, and I would highly appreciate you joining it and also liking and subscribing this channel. Thank you. Too early to be like too early to like start trading bullish over here, boys. I could be that much aggressive, but I do not like being that much aggressive over here. Even if it moves to my take profit zone, even if it moves like 1:1 ratio over here, it's fine. Let me just see how much it is moving. Oh, crazy volume over here. Holy smallest. Already moved like 0. I think it would have already moved like 0.75 or so. Yes. And then like 1:1 is not far. Oh, I did not trade, so I just like removed. If the 4 are made like a bit to over this place or over to this place, I would have tried going in, but it did not, and then too early to be like picking sides to the bullish side. So I would like to stay over here for some time and then just like see how is it going and then just like trade from there. Is there any news out about the Greenland situation? Oh, the Danish or the people of like Greenland, Norway, and then just like Danes. They call them Danes. See over here. Let XAUSD push to 4750. And it just did it? No, it did not. I entered a trade, but within 10 seconds, TP hit. Fine. Good, we should all do that. And before the millions of gold buy, gold sell commenters. Wow, nice shit. That's nothing. What about gold? Whatever, I made a huge profit. Nice slippage and then TP in gold. Thanks. Just got liquidated. Um, Danish pension fund, academic pension, exit US treasuries. Danish pension fund, academic pension to exit US treasuries. CIO says US is basically not a good credit. Okay. $100 million is nothing to the US, United States of America, boys. $100 million is nothing. Whoa! Whoa! Price action is crazy over here. Now I just got myself a zone where price could head up to. If it's if price action is going to continue to move bullish in here, I just got a zone where price could head up to. But boys, there is a lot of fundamental news events coming out. நிறைய செய்திகள் வந்து கொண்டே இருக்கின்றது. அதனால கொஞ்சம் சூடா தான் இருக்கு இந்த இடம். $100 million is nothing to the United States of America, and they're just going to smoke it out. Danish people or the Danes that they call, they're from, I think they're from Denmark, Norway, Sweden, those sites, but I do not know it completely. And things are moving that way, boys. Things are moving that way. See, the President of the United States of America just quotes this very, very easily. Don't think EU will push back too much on Greenland. It's like dummying the European Union just like that. Just like that, he's just dummying the European Union. Who can do something on it? Invited Putin to be on board of peace. See, after this one, I just saw. Okay, let me just like want the news to be out. I saw a comment on like this news on the very end of this news that who recommended you the Peace Prize of Nobel Peace Prize. Like, let me just show you the news. I just saw it today morning. Where is price action? Price action is over here right now. I want to see how the 5 minute is going to close over here, boys. And then price action is extending itself into the range plays over here. We have to wait and see. I'm not going to be rushing into a trade. I'm just going to be patient, and then just like if I get a trade, I get a trade. Oh my goodness. Uh, where the hell is that news? See this? Trump threatens 200% tariff increased tariff on French wines as Macron reportedly snubs board of peace seat. Oh my god. Okay. We got ourselves a low over here right now. And if maybe now we want to go, we could probably go in here. This is 65 pips stop loss, and I would like to see how this 15 minute is going to close over here. That I would like to see, and then I would like to go because we have ourselves a take profit over here, take profit plays over here, and if this 15 minute is going to close bullish, we'll see how we can go in there. Because I think it would want to close somewhere over this place. Let's see, let's see. I just don't want to predict. I want to act on how the close is going to be. See, FU trade after this news. Trump is F bully that should not be given even an ounce of respect. How are you going to do it? How are you going to not even give him an ounce of respect? Lot of predictions over here. See, Trump 2020 with an axe over here. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Let's just come. All right, boys. I would like to go this place over here. Or just after the 5 minutes is going to close, I can go, but I am going to go over here right now itself. Oh, price just went about too much. When I decided I want to go, price just went about too much. It's about up by 20 pips, 30 pips. Let me just wait for 15 minutes or so, and then I will trade. Okay. Oh, this line is wrong. Okay. Maybe price could also move above in here and close, but let's just see how's it going to close. If it just closes okay, I'm going to trade up till this place over here. But I need some kind of good entry, boys. That's 95 pips to this side, and I get 70 pips. Okay, fine. Whoa. Oh. Thank God I just waited for like price action to close over here. If the 15, okay, let me just drop my analogy for over here right now. If the 15-minute is going to close bullish only, okay, if the 15-minute is going to close bullish only, I will try to put up a trade over this place over here. I would just try to do a trade above this place over here where I would just get 65 pips or so. It would be good. I think it is going to be good. I'll just open positions and break the high over here and put stop loss at 98 pips. And it's like at 60, it's going to be 0.75 or so. 63. Let's see. I'm just going to do a buy stop. If 15 minutes is going to close bullish in here, I'm just going to do a buy stop over this place, boys. 4742.029. I just did a buy on 4742, boys. 4742 is my exact entry, and it's like my stop loss is over this place. 250 maybe, yeah, 250 is great. And it's like take profit over here. 650 maybe I would just like bring it down to like 500. 65 pips is also fine. Because I think the 15 minute has made a wick over this place over here. The low has been made right now, and then 15-minute closing bullish only. With price closing above this place over here, it might want to continue to move bullish only. And let's see how it wants to go. My stop loss is going to be around like 250, and it's like 500s. Fine, I just placed everything. I understand. Let's see how it's going to go. I'm in for today, boys. I'm in for today. Let's see how it's going to go. Because after like coming up to this place and then wicking back and then making a low over this place, we have ourselves a take profit area. Okay, so coming back and it's like closing up over here, and then 1 hour is also closed above. So I think it could probably move up to this place over here. Let's see how it wants to move. I do not know how the 4 hours is going to close over here, okay? But price has a high probability of coming up to here and then it's like continue to move up or just like reject from there. That just depends on price and how it wants to move, okay? Right now, what matters to me, what is going on, I can see price moving up to this place over here without coming to this place. So if it just decides to go, then I have myself a good trade in. But if it does not, we will just learn and move forward. But in my opinion, this is a good trade, and I have every reason to be in a trade over here. So let's just see how it goes. Let me know if you have any questions in the chat. Let me know if you're in this trade like me. If you're in this trade as myself, let me know in the chat box, boys. Let me know. Oh. One more minute for the 5 minute to close over here, boys. One more minute for the 5 minute to close over here. Let's see how it wants to thrive. Let's see. If the 5 minute is able to just close bullish in here, it's going to be fine. I think if the 5 minute is going to close bullish in here, it's going to be fine. பார்க்கலாம் எப்படி போகுதுன்னு. 5 minute has closed. It has closed good only. Let's see. Five minute has closed in good only. Let's see how it wants to go over here, boys. We have to wait and see. Hi, bro, from Myanmar country. Kya Naing. I do not know how to spell your name. I do not know how to spell your name. Kya Naing M2J. Hi, bro, from Myanmar country. Thank you for watching the stream. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel, boy. Thank you. Thank you for watching the stream. Love from Tamil Nadu. Much love from Tamil Nadu. 5 minute is just going good so far. Let's see if volume could take price action to that place. If it is going to be 60 plus pips over here, I would like to close 60 plus pips. At 60 plus pips, I would like to close the trade. Let's just see how it's gonna go. We just got some love from Myanmar, boys. Just some more volume and price might be able to go up to this place. Let's see. Oh, it's just rejecting right at the top, boys. Price is rejected right at the top. But the 15-minute rejection is to this place over here. Let's see, let's see. Or 60 plus pips, I would just like to close over here. Let's see how's it gonna go. Holy moly. Price is just heading down, boys. I want to see how's it going to close, boys. Oh. Oh. 5 minute is closed in like this. We have to see how the 15-minute is going to close over here. And then if it closes good, I want to see how the 5 minute is just going to close over here, boys. And if the 5 minute is just going to close over here or just over here, it's just that I'm in the leaper's edge right now, and I'm just thinking of the various probabilities price could just move. Price could definitely move to this place over here, but where price is going to reject is what we don't know, right? Maybe this could be the rejectional place over here. So we have to see. If price is just able to fill up to this place or over to this place, I would just close half or 75% in it in this trade. Yes. Let's see, boys. Let's see. What do you think? Let me know your answers in the chat. What do you think? Is price going to reject or is going to continue moving bullish? 3 more minutes for the 5 minute to close, boys. Three more minutes. Okay, it's going up right now. At 60 plus pips, I just cut. Okay, I'm just out, boys. I'm just out. Fine. Looking like I just went to my take profit zone. I just got 60 at 60 plus pips. I just got out like um 90% of the trade, and I just like it hit take profit, boys, and I just hit out at 65 pips. Okay, fine. Maybe I could have just also like tried to go to like 47502. It might not have been a sin. I did not see this zone over here, boys. If I was like aware like 4750 is very near, I would have just gone to this zone because I like whole numbers, and I would like my trades being at whole numbers. Even if you see my take profit zone was like at 500, okay, my entry price was over here, and it's like take profit was at 250. And if I knew 4750 was near, I would have just moved my take profit to this place over here. But this is fine. 4750, how much would have been? 80 pips. Fine, fine. Now also it's fine, boys. We could still move the take profit stop loss up this place, 300 maybe. Price closed at 4750 plus over here, and then price right now is heading down, boys. Let me know if you just took this trade watching the stream. I would highly appreciate it if you share your feedback on this trade, boys. Let me know. Let me know your answers in the chat. Oh, who the hell is Katayama? It's for Japanese. Can't say whether we are about to enter. When these boys, when the Japanese intervene in the FX foreign exchange markets, it just like drops crazy, boys. I've seen. Oh, what the hell is happening? The 8 o'clock volume. The 8 o'clock volume is live over here. The 8 o'clock volume is live over here. The 8 o'clock volume is live over here. The 8 o'clock volume would love to have your stop losses. Cannot say whether we are about to intervene in FX. FX intervention remains an option that we can take. I'll just keep taking. I think they already intervened in here. No, they did not. When they intervene in the FX markets, the move would be like this, or like this. When they intervene in the FX markets, when the Japanese, when the JPY, when the pound yen, not the pound yen, the yen, when the Japanese yen people just decide to just like intervene in the markets, the movement would be like this, or like this. But I've seen like a couple of times or so before that when they said they intervene in the FX markets, and after that prices continue to move more bullish. People just saw it as an opportunity to enter bullish, and then it's like made a shit ton of money out of it. Japan's finance minister Katayama to collaborate with BOJ and stakeholders to rebuild market confidence. Want markets to calm down. Markets are calm. Markets are calm. It's just that people love to buy the Japanese yen. People just love to buy the Japanese yen. I a lot of times just say in the stream itself that if you want to make profits out of a pair, the dollar yen is one of the best things to do so, because um, like a lot of times it just continues to keep moving bullish, like the USD INR. 8 o'clock, volume just landed over here, and then we have to see how this candle is going to close, and then we will see how we can trade over here. The volume is crazy, boys. The volume is crazy. We have to see, also we have to see how the 1 hour is going to close. Also we have to see how the 1 hour is going to close. 1 hour is going to close. ஒரு மணி நேர முடிவு எப்படி வருதுன்றதையும் பார்க்கணும், எப்படி முடிவுக்கு வரப்போகுதுன்றதையும் பார்க்கணும். Oh, whoa. Holy shoot. Right now, we don't need this zone. We just have to have it over here. Why? Because this is where price has formed resistance in, and I like whole numbers. I'll just like put it at 800 over here. And this is going to be still, this zone is going to be still the resistance zone over here, okay? If the 1 hour is going to close in like this, okay, then after making, and then if the 1 hour is going to close in like this, and if it just makes a wick to the top, I would just love to enter bearish up to this area, or maybe up until like this area. Yes, because it could also close bearish over here. It could also close like over here or here. It would not be a crime. அதுல தப்பு எதுவுமே கிடையாது. இந்த இடம் வரைக்கும் வந்து முடிவரை வர்றதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் நிறையவே இருக்கு. ஏன்னா இந்த இடத்துக்கு வந்து முடிவரை வந்தாலும் கூட டெய்லி தினசரி அளவு டெய்லி டைம் ஃப்ரேம்ல புல்லிஷா தான் க்ளோஸ் ஆகும். நல்லா பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். இந்த இடம் வரைக்கும் வந்து முடிவுக்கு வந்தாலும் கூட தப்பு எதுவுமே கிடையாது. வர்றதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் நிறையவே இருக்கு. வந்து முடிவரைக்கு வந்தாலும் கூட candles வந்து bullish-ஆ தான் close ஆகும். So it would be like a very good advantage for you to இந்த இடத்துக்கு வந்து முடிவரைக்கு வந்தால் நீங்க தொடர்ந்து வர்த்தகம் இந்த இடத்துல பண்றதுக்கு ரொம்ப வசதியா இருக்கும். ஏன்னா இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு bearish candle லேண்ட் ஆயிருச்சு, அதுக்கு அடுத்த கேண்டில் புல்லிஷா இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, இப்போ நான் வரைஞ்சு காட்டுறேன் பாருங்க. இப்ப இப்படி வந்து முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. இந்த இந்த 11:30 மணிக்கு முடிவரைக்கு வரப்போற இடம் வந்து இப்படி வந்து முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. இதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து இப்படி புல்லிஷா ஒரு கேண்டில் வந்துச்சுன்னா அங்க இருந்து தொடர்ச்சியா மேல போறதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் நிறையவே இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு தொடர்ச்சியா அங்க இருந்து வர்த்தகம் பண்றதுக்கு ரொம்ப வசதியா இருக்கும் அப்படின்றதான் என்னோட பார்வை. இப்போ இங்க வரைக்கும் வந்து முடிவரைக்கு வந்தாலும் எந்த தப்பு எதுவுமே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா டெய்லி டைம் ஃப்ரேம் வந்து அப்பையும் கூட புல்லிஷா தான் முடிவரைக்கு வரும். If the price, if this 4-hour candle just decides to come up to this place or this place, it is not going to be a mistake or a sin. It is still going to close. It is still going to continue to close bullish. And if it's going to close bullish, from there, if you just continue to trade, it is going to be of great advantage to us to see the price action, because price action just made a low. If after this candle is going to close in like this, okay, like this, then the next candle forms in like this, it is going to be of great advantage to us to just like continue trading bullish over here. The trend just keeps going and we just keep trading bullish. Okay, if price wants to come to there, it can absolutely smash that area inside out. So we'll just see how's it going to go. But for us to enter bearish over here, this 1 hour candle must close bearish in here. I just did a trade live over here, entered over here, take profit over this place, and it's like stop loss to this place, and my take profit just got hit. Okay, that is it for today. But if there is going to be an opportunity that arises over here, I would just love to take it home, boys. Love to take it home. But this candle, this upcoming candle over here could also be like this. Even if it's going to be slanting like this, it's not going to be a problem. Even if it is going to be like this, not a problem. Like this, not a problem. It's not going to be a problem, boys. If you're new to the stream and watching the stream new, like this stream and subscribe to our channel, and then join our Discord community, boys. I post all our updates there and all the trade ideas there. Yesterday also I dropped a gold analysis on our Discord community. So I would highly appreciate you and welcome you all there. If you're watching the stream new, say a hi or drop a thumbs up over here, boys. Okay, somebody just messaged me and I do not know who. Ankna? If you're here watching the stream right now, just say a hi or drop a hi. Drop a wave or just drop a thumbs up, boys, so that we can just keep the stream going forward. Up until like these confluences align, and I will just do a trade. Oh, it's up. This upcoming candle could also close in like this. So if it is going to close in like that, then we have ourselves a support in, and just the 30-minute is just in like this, and maybe we'll see how we can trade forward. I just think that I don't think anything. Let's see how it's going to close. Let's see. Let us see how is it going to close. I just need some water. 3 more minutes for the candles to close over here, boys. 3 more minutes for the candles to close over here. For the 15-minute to close, there's just 3 more minutes. If proper volume is going to be over here, okay? If proper volume is going to be over here, I think that the charts can close over here or even over here. Let's see. Did you take this trade or what, boys? Let me know in the, your answers in the chat. Did you take this trade watching the stream, or what? Let me know your answers in the chat. You are the reason why you fucked off. Okay, 15 minute. For the 15 minute to close, there's just 30 more seconds, boys. Let's see. Let's see how it's gonna close. Okay. See now over here, after this candle has closed in, okay. Now maybe if this 15-minute candle over here, okay, if this the drawing is not coming good. If this 15-minute candle just decided to go and close below this place, maybe we could have ourselves a sell in. But it just closed over here, and now we have to wait and see how's it going to close for the next 30 minutes or so, because like over here, um, this candle could just this candle over here could just come above and close over here, and the 30-minute would be a low body, and then it's like the 1 hour would close in stronger, and from there it would just want to move more to the top side. Okay, so over here we have to wait and see how this 15-minute is going to close. Okay, um, and with and from there we have to see how the 1 hour close, and then just like take decisions from there. Okay. Okay, that is how we can trade forward over here, boys. That is how we can trade forward over here. I just heard today that Xness is banned in our country today. What happened? I do not know what. Significant. I do not know why. My brother just called me and said that the Xness just got banned from India, but it is not banned. It's just been paused. New account registrations for Indian users have been just paused. They're just going to get some regulatory things done, and then just like they're going to resume and just go forward. Okay, this is not going to be an issue. But instead of using Xness, I would just advise you to use the other brokerages. Maybe um, the brokerage that I use, that I've mentioned this previous brokerages. No, the brokerage that I use, that I've mentioned in previous videos or so. Oh my goodness, there is a lot of news just that just keeps coming out for the uh, or like Japan's bond markets meltdown. What next, Priyan? There's a lot of things that this comes out of like these Japanese news outlets. I just have my glasses on and I just not see, boys. I just forgot that I had my glasses on. If you're watching the stream and have your trading account in Exness, tell me what happened with your account. If you have your account in Exness, tell me just what happened to your Exness account, because they just say this not explicitly banned. Are you banned, or are you able to trade, or what? How many of you people have your accounts in Exness, boys? Let me know. Let me know. If you have your account in Exness, and what is, I would like to know what is real condition going over there. Drop your answers in the chat, boys. Because you 10 more minutes for the 15-minute to close, and we're going to see how it's going to go. Let's see. Let's see how's it going to go. How is Euro USD right now? I want to also see that. Let me just open up a new window for Euro USD. Also, if you want any other pairs broken down, like if you want any other pairs to be analyzed by me, just drop it in the chat. நீங்க வேற ஏதாவது பேர் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு தெளிவுள்ள ஒரு பார்வை வேணும், நான் அனலைஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு நீங்க நினைச்சீங்க அப்படின்னா, நீங்க வந்து அதை வந்து சேட்ல ட்ராப் பண்ணுங்க. நான் வந்து அதை பிரேக் டவுன் பண்ணி பிரேக் டவுன் பண்றேன். ஓ, GBP USD is coming above right now. GBP USD is coming above right now, boys. நீங்க இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஸ்ட்ரீம் பார்த்திருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, நான் வந்து GBP USD ல வந்து புல்லிஷ் கான்ஃபிடன்சஸ் வந்தா கண்டிப்பா பை பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். பட் ஆனால் இன்னும் புல்லிஷ் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வரல. போன வாரம் வந்திருந்துச்சு, அது அப்படியே பேர்ஷா டர்ன் ஓவர் ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு, பார்க்கலாம் எப்படின்ட்டு. இன்னும் ஒரு வாரம் இருக்கு முடிவுரைக்கு வர்றதுக்கு, பார்க்கலாம். I already mentioned in our previous streams that you can buy GBP USD when there is a confluence in the weekly time frame, and if the weekly time frame is just going to close bullish. If this weekly time frame is just going to close bullish in here, and if you have a lot of nice confluences in the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, you can trade GBP/USD on the bias of buy, but may also it could sell. And this week there is a huge news that is coming out for the GBP/USD, and like this one, retail sales, and it's like flash manufacturing and everything. Let's see how's it going to go. Gold, how's gold going? Gold going in here. What do you guys think over here? Is it going to close, continue to move bullish in here, or is it just going to come down, boys? Let me know your answers in the chat. What do you think price action is going to do over here? Let me know your answers in the chat. Right now, after just writing down script for just one video, for my second video, I'm just like surprised, or surprised on how these content creators keep going, boys. After just writing down script for one video, like what I want to tell to the audience, or what I want to tell to my viewers and subscribers, and I should be like very and my message should be very powerfully and just like uh, conveyed in a good way. I'm just like surprised on how these content creators just keeps going. ஒரே ஒரு காணொளிக்கு தேவையான அளவு வசனங்கள் எழுதின பிறகு இது எவ்வளவு கஷ்டமா இருக்கு, இது இது எப்படி தொடர்ந்து பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கானுங்க அப்படின்றதுதான் எனக்கு தெரியல. உங்களுக்கு நிறைய திட்டமிடுதல் வேணும். அதுவும் போக உங்களுக்கு நிறைய என்ன பேசணும், என்னென்ன சொல்லணும், நம்ம சொல்லக்கூடிய அந்த தகவல் சரியா மக்கள்கிட்ட போய் சேரணும், நம்மளை பாக்குறவங்க பார்வையாளர்கள்ட்ட அப்படின்ற அந்த விஷயங்கள்லாம் இருக்கு. இதெல்லாம் பார்த்த பிறகு எப்படி இவனுங்க தொடர்ச்சியா இது செய்யறானுங்க அப்படின்னு நானே வேந்து போயிருக்கேன். These guys just continue to keep doing it. Like I'm just surprised on like how these guys continue to keep doing it. எப்படி இது தொடர்ச்சியா செய்யறாங்க அப்படின்றத பார்த்து எனக்கே தெரியல. பார்க்கலாம். 4 minutes இருக்கு பாய்ஸ், இந்த இடத்துல க்ளோஷர் வர்றதுக்கு. 4 minutes இருக்கு. 1 hour எப்படி க்ளோஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். 1 30 minute எப்படி க்ளோஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். 2 if the 15 minute is going to close bullish in here, bullish தான் க்ளோஸ் ஆக போகுது அப்படின்னா எப்படின்றத பார்க்கணும். திரும்ப இந்த இடம் வரைக்கும் ரெக்கவர் ஆகிறதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு, பேரிஷா போறதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகளும் இருக்கு. 1 hour புல்லிஷா க்ளோஸ் ஆச்சு, 15 மினிட் கீழே போயிட்டு ஒரு சப்போர்ட் மாதிரி மேக் பண்ணுச்சு அப்படின்னா பார்க்கலாம் எப்படின்னு. just going to react on how price is just going to move. நகர்வுகள் எப்படி இருக்குன்றத பார்த்துட்டு எனக்கு தேவையான விஷயங்கள் இதுக்குள்ளே உள்ளார அமைஞ்சிச்சு கிடைச்சிச்சு அப்படின்னா இன்னொரு வர்த்தகம் பண்றதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் இங்க நிறைய இருக்கு பாய்ஸ். பார்க்கலாம். If you are watching the stream new and you're new to the stream, watching the stream new, like and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and join our Discord community. The link to the Discord community is in the description of this video, and I'm also going to drop it in the chat over here for you. Uh, Nightbot just appear. Nightbot just appear. Where the hell is Nightbot? Yeah. Nightbot just appeared. Nightbot just appeared, boys. It's literally like starting to consolidate over here, boys. It's fine, but we have to see how's it going to move, how's it going to close in the 15-minute time frame. There is still a high probability for charts to enter into this zone over here. So I'm just going to be very, very careful out here on what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. Yes, maybe I could enter on the break of the high up to this place over here, but I'm not going to do it because the 30-minute time frame is still bearish and the 1 hour time frame just closed in here. If the next candle is going to be just in like this, I'm just going to be taken out instantly. So I just need more confidence, like how candles are going to move and things like that to trade forward. Dun, 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 dun. If you are new to this stream and watching the stream new, subscribe and like. Subscribe to this channel and like this video, boys. I would highly appreciate it. It helps grow the channel and everything. I could just enter over here on the break of the high over this place, okay? But the 30-minute time frame has closed in bearish over here, and the 1 hour time frame has just closed in like this, okay? It could move bullish. I do not doubt that. But I have to have more confidences in here for me to trade bullish. But if price is going to go to this place and it's like move forward, completely fine, let it move. But there is also a probability for charts to reach up to this place, boys. Let's see. இந்த இடம் வரைக்கும் நகரத்துக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் நிறைய இருக்கு. போதுமான அளவுக்கு உறுதித்தன்மை இல்லாதனால நான் அந்த இடத்துல வந்து ஒரு வர்த்தகத்தை எடுக்கல. ஏன்னா 30 மணி நேர அளவு வந்து கீழ் நோக்கி தான் வந்து முடிஞ்சிருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி 1 மணி நேர அளவும் வந்து இங்கதான் முடிஞ்சிருக்கு. இப்ப 30 மணி நேரம் இந்த அளவு இப்படி முடிஞ்சிருக்கனால நான் வந்து ஒரு வர்த்தகம் எடுக்கல. ஆனா மேல் நோக்கி போறதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. பட் நான் வந்து தெளிவான ஒரு பார்வை இல்லாதனால நான் எடுக்கல. பட் ஆனா மேல் நோக்கி போனால் ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சி தான், போகட்டும். இங்க வரைக்கும் வர்றதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. எப்படின்றது இதுக்கும் மேல போறதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. எப்படின்றத பார்ப்போம். You are the reason why I'm mad. Dragon. Hmm. Price is just going above right now. Let's just see how this 15 minutes is going to close, boys, and then decide what we can do over here. Um, this news we already saw. All these comments, man. All these comments. Oh. I do not know about this John Donut's voice. I do not know about this. Cause you are the reason okay. Price is consolidated over this place over here, and then just like decided to start moving above, boys. And if price is going to like, let's see how is it going to close, and then just decide on what we can do over here. Okay. Let me just see these comments for a while and just like laugh it out, and just like be back. The only comment I just see with some statistics is here. Hoping that midterms will have some influence on that. Let's hope so. Oh goodness. Greenland will come with its cost. Oh, the cost is $100 million, boys. And he just took it out. No issues. $100 million is nothing, boys, for the United States of America. Mm, in going of high, hit my TP. Just in a second. Just hit MTTP. Made big bucks. Thanks, Trump. Holy moly. Okay. Over here. Okay. If price is just going to close in like this, okay? If price is just going to close in like this, And I've seen couple of times, okay, couple of times I've seen the next candle would just want to come up to this place over here and it's like form a bullish candle over here, the bearish candle like over here. Then I would just go on there, put the stop loss to this place. It's going to be fine. It's going to be a fine trade. But if the candles are going to just close in over here, I might not trade, boys. Why? Because there's a high probability that price would want to also go bearish down this way, uh, like this. Because the 30-minute over here has closed in bearish. Because the 30-minute time frame has closed in bearish over here, I would not like to. Um, I would not. Um, I'm not liking to go bullish in here. Sabari bro, Sabrina, yes. Hi bro. எல்லாம் எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு? எல்லாம் எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு? Hmm, 15-minute time frame is just going to close in. Even if it is going to close bullish in here, boys, இந்த இடத்துல இது வந்து bullish தான் முடிவுக்கு வரப்போகுது அப்படின்னா நான் வந்து இந்த இடத்துல தான் என்னால போக முடியும். ஸோ அந்த இடத்துல போகலாம், இன்ஸ்டன்டா எனக்கு போக விருப்பம் இல்லை. அந்த இடத்துல போகலாம், பட் ஆனால் எனக்கு அங்கிருந்து போதுமான அளவுக்கு ரூம் இல்லை மேலே ட்ரேட் பண்றது. இங்க இருந்து இந்த 20 பிப் இருக்கு, அதை வந்து அது அது வந்து போதுமான அளவுக்கு இடம் இல்லை அதில் நான் ட்ரேட் பண்ணி எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணி நான் வெளியே வர்றது. ஸோ இங்கிருந்து நான் பண்ணலாம், இங்கேருந்து 65 பிப்ஸ் பண்ணலாம், ஒரு 60 பிப்ஸ் ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் கொடுத்து. பட் ஆனால் ப்ரைஸ் வந்து இந்த இடத்துல பியர்ஷா போறதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. ஸோ நான் வெயிட் பண்ணி எப்படி என்னன்றதை பார்ப்போம். பட் ஆனால் இங்கிருந்து மேல் நோக்கி போறதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் நிறைய இருக்கு. If you're new to the stream, if you're watching the stream new, just like the stream and subscribe to the channel, boys. It helps grow the channel and also the algorithm with it. And join our Discord community. The Discord community link is in the description of this video and also in the chat box. Sabri bro, hi. உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு? Okay. $15 is closing in over here like this, boys. So going forward, okay, going forward, um, எப்படி வர்த்தகம் பண்ணலான்றத இந்த இடத்துல பார்க்கணும். மேல் நோக்கி போறதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் நிறையவே இருக்கு இந்த இடத்துல. ஆனால் இந்த 30 மினிட் க்ளோஸ் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் முடிவுகள் எடுக்கலாம்னு பாக்குறேன். 30 மணி நேர அளவு முடிவுக்கு வந்த பிறகு நான் வந்து முடிவுகள் எடுக்கலாம்னு பாக்குறேன். One more minute to close. இன்னும் ஒரு நிமிஷம் தான் இருக்கு முடிவுரை வர்றதுக்கு. பார்க்கலாம். I think that price could move above from here to this place and also above. But since the 30 minute has closed in bearish over here, I over here need a 30 minute support form to continue to trade bullish, or a 30 minute support form, or enough room in here. There is not enough room in here because if I want to trade over here, I would want to open positions over here. Okay, there is only a 20 pip range over here, and I do not like to do it because there is not enough range for me to enter into a trade. So since the 30 minute, I could go in here instant, but since the 30 minute has formed in closed in like this, I do not want to go in here. If I want to go in here on the continuation move to this place, I need a 30 minute support form over here and enough range in here for me to just like go bullish in here. Okay, that is what I really need over here, boys. Let's see how is it going to roll down and give opportunities for us. Okay. Ta-da-ta-da. Boys, let me just take a break and then just be back, boys. Let me just take a break and be back. போயிட்டு சின்ன ஒரு இடைவெளி எடுத்துட்டு வந்துடுறேன் கொஞ்ச நேரம், ஒரு 1 minute or so. ஓகே, எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு இப்போ? ஓ, this is what I told you boys. Since the 30-minute wasn't like this, it has high probability of also moving down. It could also move bullish. மேல போறதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. ஆனா பார்த்தோம்னா அப்படியே நான் என்னென்ன மாதிரி தான் வந்து நகர்ந்துருக்கு. இதுக்கான வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நான் சொன்னேன், அதே மாதிரி நடந்திருக்கு. ஓகே, all right boys, that is it for today. Thank you for watching the stream everybody. I'm going to continue to trade up to like 10:30 p.m. IST. So if I do for any trades going forward, if I do any trades further, I will just update it in our community, Discord community. And thank you for watching the stream everybody. And we will be streaming on Thursday 7 p.m. IST. Thank you for watching the stream everybody. Thank you. Would love to have you on Thursday stream. Thank you everybody. See you, take care.